boys gotta warm up.
This is John Shaw's sabbatical rehab.
Winger! Oh, I'm out. New clip. Give me a clip.
No, we're not
I want
doing much clip.
I'm out. Can I have one more clip? Just one more clip. Just one more. We should each have one clip.
And maybe I should have a gun that works.
All right, I'll trade you guns.
Way
Give me
to
a
go.
clip. Give me a clip. Is this being taped?
Yes.
All right, here we go. This is rehab. Right here.
This is what we do at homeschools.
God damn! God damn!
Oh, I miss you.
I think you're both out.
I don't think I'm out.
Oh, yours jammed.
Somebody put them in backwards.
It was a trick. All right, that's enough. That's enough. We're done.
No, that's not enough.
We're done. Give me that.
Oh.